I'm Sarah Murray from the Wall Street Journal. We're here with CEO Klein. He's the chief executive for Fortune Brands and Security. They make everything from faucets to cabinets to padlocks. Thanks for being with us.
Great, happy to be here.
So you guys have had some really great earnings lately. It seems like the housing market is definitely starting to come back. Where do you see this going in the next year?
Well, I think both new construction has been growing pretty strongly this year, even though we had a bit of a slowdown this summer. But for us, more importantly, repair and remodel has picked up, and bigger tickets. So people are doing big kitchen remodelings, remodeling their bathroom, and that's really driving some pretty strong improvement factors that we're seeing going through our business right now.
What's the one thing that you think could sideline the improvements that we have been seeing?
Yeah, I think overall interest rates, if they continue to rise at too great a pace, consumer confidence, if it backed off. But frankly, what we're seeing today is a byproduct of overall affordability is still pretty strong, and consumers are taking money out of savings and bringing it in and investing it in their homes. So we're pretty optimistic about kind of the path forward here.
Since your company is doing so well and you guys have had increased earnings, how does that change your outlook of what you do next? I mean, do you return that either to employees? Do you invest more in technology or equipment, or are you still a little bit more cautious with what you do?
No, we're really planning for a 3 to 5 year growth horizon that we see some real certainty around today. So if you look at housing today, this year we'll probably create about 930,000 starts for the year. Over the long term, we think the sustainable rate's more like 1.5 million. So we're still on a trajectory back to that level, and we're investing to support that, plus the repair remodel growth in our business. So we see the next 3 to 5 years as a strong investment period of time, both investment in capacity, hiring people, investments in technology, new product development, which is a big part of the growth driver of our business. So that's the stuff that we're planning on right now to really propel the growth in the company.
And what is your read on the U.S. consumer right now? Do you think that they're still cautious, or do you think they're starting to feel more optimistic?
I think it's mixed. I think you see the older cohorts, 45 to 65, taking money out of savings and investing in their homes, upgrading to that higher level of home. I think there's still caution in the younger households, in new households that are forming, slower to come out of maybe rental properties into owning their own home, slower to invest. So I think you're not quite there yet. We're seeing improving signs, but it's not as universal as we'd like to have it.
Klein, thanks for being with us.
Sure, thanks for being here.